Loy Krathong Festival is sometimes called the Festival of Light or the Floating Lantern Festival because the celebration includes a beautiful ritual where floating lanterns are released on rivers and lakes across Thailand. This festival takes place on the night of the 12th full moon of the Thai lunar calendar, which usually falls in mid-November. In 2019, Loy Krathong Festival will take place on November 11th. The word loy in Thai means to float, and a krathong is a lotus-shaped boat made from banana tree leaves and bark. So in Thai, Loy Krathong Festival literally means to float a lotus-shaped boat. So, how did Loy Krathong begin? A popular story about the holiday goes like this. In the ancient Sukhothai kingdom, around the year 800, King Rongkampong took an extravagant cruise on the river to celebrate the full moon of the 12th lunar month. During the cruise, the king's favorite mistress, Nopamas, created the first krathong, which was an eye-catching lotus-shaped boat made from banana leaves with a small lit candle placed in the center. Nopamas then took the krathong and sent it on the water to float away and honor Buddha and the Thai water goddess. Onlookers were inspired by Nopamas's actions and decided to follow her lead and create their own krathongs. Soon the river was full of bouncing lotus lanterns that flickered under the moonlight. The king was very pleased and decreed that the holiday should be celebrated every year in the same way. Thus, the tradition of the Floating Lantern Festival, Loy Krathong, began. Today, Loy Krathong is celebrated all across Thailand. The celebration typically includes fireworks shows, parades, carnival festivities, and releasing delicate handmade krathongs. If you are interested in experiencing Loy Krathong Festival in Thailand, then nowhere is better than Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is a special place to be during this holiday because the city not only celebrates Loy Krathong, but also Yi Peng, the Sky Lantern Festival as well. Chiang Mai is the only place in Thailand where you can witness millions of flying lanterns released into the sky for Yi Peng Festival, as thousands of lit krathongs float through the waterways, creating an atmosphere of beauty and magic. To learn more, search Loy Krathong Festival at Asia Highlights for more information.